What's going on, everybody? Welcome to your SRT Jumpstart Certification. So with this Jumpstart Certification course, it is designed to be an introductory course to anybody that is looking to dive into SRT and maybe hasn't been able to register for a live class, or isn't quite sure if they want to invest into the other two certifications, which are our Supine certification, which is a 3-day class, and our Sidelying and Prone certification, which is also a 3-day class. So with the Jumpstart program, what we have is we have 15 to 16 applications that will cover supine, prone, and sidelying techniques from the other two certifications. So you'll get an introduction into some of the supine, prone, and sidelying techniques. It will be full body, so it will address lower and upper body. You will have the ability to be able to do a 60 or even 90-minute session for a client utilizing these 15 or 16 techniques. We will take you through the initial assessment and warm-up for the tissue, all the way through the techniques, and then into the setting of the hips and the shoulders after the session to make sure that we are reintegrating the client's body, nervous system, and tissue back into its homeostasis or new homeostasis. So with the Jumpstart certification, you guys are going to get access to, again, 15 to 16 techniques: supine, prone, side-lying, full body. You're going to dive into the nervous system and the fascial system a little bit more, so it's an introduction into working with the nervous system intentionally, not just as a past thought, oh, we are going to do fascial work and work with your nervous system. With SRT, our focus is working with the nervous system and then working with the fascial system and the lymphatic system, which you see behind. That becomes more prevalent in the other courses if you consider taking those and continuing to move forward with the SRT journey. But with your Jumpstart certification, you guys will have that access again to offer 30, 60, or 90-minute sessions, depending on what you choose. You will have the access to these 15, 16 techniques. You will have a deeper understanding of how the nervous system works, why we work with the nervous system intentionally, what that looks like in terms of the SRT applications and techniques with our soft, slow, safe, and supportive approach. And it will give you the ability to also opt into our virtual live class. So if you do the Jumpstart certification, it is more of a hybrid certification course. You're going to have access to the online academy, all of these videos for self-study and self-review, practical applications. You then also have the opportunity, if you decide to hop into a live virtual course, which can be done anywhere in the world, which is why we're doing the Jumpstart in this context. So if you're not able to attend a class and you really want to see what SRT is about, this is a great way to get started in utilizing the techniques that come from both supine and sidelying prone certifications, as well as talking with me directly and having access to a live virtual component where we can now refine, refresh, and answer any questions that you may have pertaining to the 15 techniques that you've now learned and the beginning stages of SRT. So thank you guys for choosing SRT Jumpstart. We look forward to jumpstarting your journey with soft stretch release techniques, and we can't wait to hopefully welcome you to the community of SRT professionals, and if you choose to continue your journey into an SRT specialist. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We are happy to have you considering SRT, and we will see you in your future videos.